Hello everyone. Today is 25th August 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balera, and today's our topic is interface in Java. Basically, interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. Means is the same as a class, but interface is incomplete, and it has a static, constant, and abstract method. Means the interface is a collection of a static, abstract, and content constant method. In a Java 8 and 9, after Java 8, the static and constant method are allowed to interface, and abstract method is also included. Means the abstract method means the incompleted method. After interface is a incomplete blueprint of a class. Interface in Java is a mechanism to achieve the abstraction. There can be only abstract methods. Means the interface class only the abstract methods. It can achieve the abstraction multiple inheritance. Now, inheritance is achieve the abstractions and the multiple inheritance. Because the in interface we can extend the multiple interface. In other word, we can say the interface has a abstraction method and variable. Means the interface is a collection of methods, abstraction methods, and the variable. It can have a method body. It cannot have a method body. Means the abstract method cannot have a method body. uh, it's an incomplete method. Next is a important is a it can be can't be cannot be instantiated, just like abstract class. Means the uh, interface class is a interface class is all the interface class contains the all the abstract methods, and abstract means the incomplete. Means the interface is also incomplete, and in uh, those those class is incomplete. Incomplete class cannot instantiated. Means the we cannot create the object of a interface, because it is a incomplete. The next is a Java 8 can have a default and static methods in a interface, and Java 9 can be a private methods in a interface. Why we use the interface? Interface mainly use there are mainly three reasons to use the interface. First is to achieve the abstraction. Means the abstraction achieved because the in abstraction we can reuse the interface class at a multiple time, and the code reusability is a increase, and viewing is increase. uh, and by next is a by interface we can support the functionality of a multiple inheritance. Means the we can extend the multiple interface uh, in a we can extend the multiple interface through the interface. It can use the two loops coupling. How to declare the interface? Interface is declared as a interface and interface name. It is the same as a class. Class, we can declare the class as a class and class name. That's like it's similar as a class. interface name. And then the body of a interface. The next is the relation between the class and interface. The relation between the class and interface, the class extend the another class, interface extend the interface class. Means the one class is extend to another class, and another class is extend to another class. Means the uh, interfaces occur. Yeah, but the one class can't extend the interface, it only implement the interface. And one interface can't extend the class because the interface is already incomplete. And incomplete incomplete body can't extend the another completed body. And interface extend the interface because of incomplete class extend the incomplete class. Incomplete class can't extend the completed class. And we can explain the one example of a interface. We can create a one interface. This name is a drawable, and some beware of there we can create a two class or two object. The two object are the similar, some behaviors of a same. Then we can use the interface, and we can achieve the reusability using the interface, as the same behavior are declared in the interface, and then use the multiple time this interface. Means the we can create the interface doable. And in interface we can create a one method draw. It is a similar behavior of a circle and rectangle. Circle also draw and rectangle will also draw, or shape. Drawable means the shape, wide shape. The similar behavior of a rectangle, circle, square is a shape. With the we can declare the shape method in a drawable. And we can create the three classes. First is a shape, no, first is a circle, second is a square, a third is a rectangle. And we can implement the drawable interface uh, in a three class. You can class rectangle implement the drawable, class rectangle implement the drawable, class circle is implement drawable, and class square is also implement drawable. Means the drawable interface use the multiple time. And the efficiency of our program is increased. And we can implement the draw method, and we can write the our logic in a draw method or shape method using the implementation. And we can create the object of a circle, square and rectangle. There next is a multiple inheritance in a Java. In Java, by using the interface, we can achieve the multiple inheritance in Java, because the one class implement the multiple interface. And but and class only the implement interface. One class implement a number of interface. And interface class extend only the interface is only extend the interface also extend the multiple interface. because the interface is already incomplete. Incomplete interface is extend the another incomplete interface. And then next is a our next topic is nested interface in Java. Nested interface in Java means the interface, another interface which can also nested interface means the interface extend the interface, and in interface there is a another interface. This is the nested interface. This is all about the interface. Thank you.